So my name's Sam and this is my husband Michael and my little girl Ellie. The eldest is at school and we're from Bradford. It was actually my mother-in-law that had her windows done about a year or two back, so she recommended them. Other companies didn't have such a good variety of doors to choose from, and also the price was within our budget, so we were happy with that. But then also from his mother's recommendation, she said they did a really good job and left it all clean and things, so that was good. Yeah, it was really good. I did a quote with them. They came around, showed me some brochures, showed me some doors, explained about the options, how I could change certain things and have different things on the doors. I explained what I was looking for. And then when they came to fit the doors, they were actually quicker than I thought, which was lovely. And then when they left it really neat, tidy, gave me sort of a run through on how to use the doors properly, what we shouldn't be doing with them. But yeah, it was really good. I was really excited. We were on holiday at the time in Mallorca, so when I got the phone call, I didn't really know who it was and I didn't quite believe it at first, but then I realised it was obviously true, so I was really happy. I think it was Phil that called us. But yeah, we were over the moon because we were house renovating anyway. Things cost a lot of money, and just the fact that we've won the doors has just made things a lot easier for us going forward. Yes, definitely. I think if you want good quality service, good variety of options to choose from, and if you're not wanting to wait too long and you want, something done quite quickly, then definitely choose Coral.